Hey friends! It's so good to see everyone. I have missed you guys so much. We are officially going on almost 2.5 months in quarantine now. So I hope everybody out there is healthy and safe and staying home. So I'm really excited because today I've partnered with FABFITFUN to share with you their brand new Summer 2020 box. And if you are trapped at home like me, then you know this is like Christmas on your doorstep right now. A box from the outside world. It's a big deal. So I was so excited to dig in. This is probably the biggest FABFITFUN box I've ever gotten. And I've gotten a lot. So they absolutely killed it this season. I can't wait to share with you guys what is in my box. If you're new to my channel or if you're not familiar with FABFITFUN, they are a subscription service. It is seasonal, so there are 4 boxes a year: spring, summer, fall, and winter, and they always have full-size fashion, beauty, wellness, and lifestyle products. The boxes are always worth over $200, but with my $10 off coupon code, you can get your box for under 40 bucks. So really amazing deal. And I'm telling you guys, this box is super high end, amazing. I'm never disappointed with their boxes. This season is in support of Special Olympics. They're always doing things for charity, which I think is really amazing. And now you have the option to customize your boxes. So a lot of these items I picked out myself. I know a lot of you guys like to be able to choose your own products, so that is awesome. So I stuck everything back in here, but I'm really excited. This box is chock full of goodies. So first and foremost, a $90 off plus free shipping gift card from Green Chef. Then the Summer 2020 FABFITFUN magazine, which includes editor's notes, tons of articles about how to use the products, about the charities they're working with, and also all of the items in your box with retail value, which is the page I'm going to go ahead and turn to so that I can tell you how much everything in the box is worth. So first up in the summer box, you guys, it's flippin' Michael Kors. An actual Michael Kors. Like, I was so shocked. This was one of my custom items, and I was super excited. So this is the Michael Kors Bedford Travel Passport Wallet. So obviously you could use this as a passport holder on travel. It also is a regular wallet, so you can just use it for your driver's license, your credit cards. Retail value of this Michael Kors wallet is $78. So this one item alone has already paid for your entire box and then some. So like I said, an amazing value. It is really nice quality. Like you guys can see, this is a legit Michael Kors. Tons of slots for your cards. You've got your picture window for your driver's license, and then more storage over here. Just really gorgeous. I've never seen Michael Kors anything in a subscription box, so this just blew me away. Who doesn't want Michael Kors? Second item in my box was this satin pillow sleeve from Silt. So I've actually had this pillowcase on my pillow for the last 2 nights, and I don't know why I wasn't using a satin pillowcase before, guys. Like, this is a life changer. Normally when I wake up in the morning, my hair is like frizzing out everywhere. It's crazy. But with the satin pillowcase, your hair literally just stays exactly the same. You don't get all of the crimps and the creases and the frizziness. And also, satin pillowcases are supposed to help with creasing and wrinkles in your face. So this is like an anti-aging pillowcase, you guys. Retail value is $29.50, and I really like this one because the other side is actually just a cotton material, so it's not going to slip around or slip off of your pillow. And because it's a sleeve, the pillow does hang out of either side of the pillowcase, so it's really easy to get on and off, which I love. It's this pretty silver color. Of course, I need to steam it because I slept on it last night, so it got a little bit wrinkly, but amazing. Loving this pillowcase. Next up, I got this really awesome foot cream, and this is the Cali Cosmetics foot cream with menthol in Tarocco, and it smells like Sicilian blood oranges. And I loved this foot cream. I actually used it the other night, and then I put those fuzzy aloe socks on, and I just felt so pampered. The menthol kind of makes your feet feel nice and cool. So that was a really nice treat after being outside landscaping in the heat all day. Really love this foot cream. It does have olive oil in it as well, so it's very, very moisturizing. I would show you guys a little demo, but you're not seeing my feet. I'm sorry, quarantine feet, it's not happening. And I forgot to mention that the Cali Cosmetics foot cream retails for $24. So next up in the summer box, I got this Riddle Oil Original Roll-On. You guys, okay, so I'm very picky about scents, and this roll-on is probably the best smell ever. Like my absolute favorite perfume or anything that I've ever been sent. So retail value of this roll-on is $50, and this perfume mixes with your personal chemistry to create a signature scent that's unique to you. Oh, well that must be why I love it so much. Oh my gosh though, I literally just want to roll this freaking thing all over my body. It smells so good. It's light, but it's really fresh. It's not florally. It's almost a little bit musky, which I love. Almost like a manly smell, but just super fresh and warm. I wish I could describe the scent better for you guys. I'm not kidding when I tell you it is like the best ever. The most amazing scent. You absolutely have to have this in your life. Love this roll-on from Riddle. Amazing. I guess maybe it smells different on everybody. Mine's good though. So next up is the cutest vase ever from Isaac Mizrahi Loves XO Sienna. And this is a super cute little hand dipped vase. You guys know I love my home decor, and FABFITFUN always kills it with their cute options. So as you can see, it's a little ceramic vase. It has white matte on the bottom and then this shiny kind of pink drip pattern on the top. This is so cute with white tulips in it for spring, which is how I've been using it, but it also is so pretty that it just looks great on the mantle or on a shelf just by itself, maybe on a stack of books. Really super cute, and it retails for $28. I've also been loving this product that I got in my FABFITFUN box. It is from Murad. This is their Essential C Cleanser. This is a huge full-size bottle, which is awesome. Retail value is $40. This is antioxidant rich, has an environmental shield. It is formulated with vitamins A, C, and E, and it helps remove pollution and other impurities from your skin without over drying it. So I have been applying this on a damp face in the morning and the evening, and I absolutely love it because it is a gel. It is like a really nice light gel, so you're gonna feel super refreshed after you applied it, but it's also moisturizing. So loving this cleanser, great size bottle, perfect for the summertime because it's nice and light. Another brand that I was so excited to see in this season's box, this is a diffuser from Pottery Barn. This is their Mason ceramic diffuser in Solstice from their Mason Home Scent collection. So how freaking chic is this? Such a pretty diffuser. I love the metallic finish. It comes with the diffuser reeds, and the scent is amazing. So it has notes of bergamot, vetiver, and geranium, and it's perfect for summer. And this would look amazing on a shelf, on the mantle, in a bathroom, wherever you want to put it because it's so cute. Retail value of this diffuser is $59, guys. So the last item that I picked in my FABFITFUN summer box are these amazing Sydney sunglasses from Tom's, another really notable brand. I was so impressed, you guys, with the FABFITFUN box this season. Loved all of the brands. The products are amazing. Just absolutely love this box. So this is the Tom's Sydney sunglasses, and I'm obsessed. So they're super comfortable. They have a slight cat eye, which is really cute, but it's not overkill. I feel like they fit my face really well. I love kind of like the more oversized look. And seriously, guys, they are the most comfortable sunglasses I've ever owned. The material is very smooth, and this thicker design just like hugs your face, and it's so comfortable. So I don't feel like these are going anywhere. They just fit perfect. Like I want 5 more pairs of Tom's sunglasses now. So the retail value of these sunglasses are $58. All of these items are seriously making my quarantine that much better. Definitely pick up your own box. Again, my $10 off coupon code and the link will be down below. Be sure to send one to your mom, your sister, your girlfriend, because who wouldn't love all of these amazing items while you're stuck at home? You might as well be pampering yourself. Definitely go check out FABFITFUN. I know you guys won't be disappointed. And leave me a comment down below and let me know what you've been doing during this quarantine time. Hopefully this stay-at-home order isn't too much longer, but if it is, we've got this, y'all. We can get through this together. Get outside, connect with nature. Be sure to take time for yourself every single day just to self-reflect, to relax, to rest, especially if you're a mom. It can be overwhelming being at home with the kids all day, every day. So be sure to take like a half an hour to an hour out of every day or evening just to take a bath or just pamper yourself and have a glass of wine. All the wine during this quarantine. So thank y'all so much for being here with me and watching this unboxing. And until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay happy, guys. Bye.